Oh, today me, Farmer Di, are going to try Vegemite for the first time ever, and this is the story of it. Okay. So this is a gift from a friend, Beth, in Australia, and I'm sure my other friend, Courtney, was spiritually aware of the gift. And we're going to see what happens next, because I really don't think I'm going to like it. Go. This might be the second time we do this because we didn't know we on post.
Oh. 2 hours later.
My first time at Vegemite. Oh, it looks so lovely. Here you go. So this is a toast. Toast, get it? To my lovely friends in Australia. I miss you and I love you. My first ever taste of Vegemite.